Everyone wants to know the exact same thing right now. Where's the new Apple TV? We have been hearing rumors for a very long time. Some experts said it would be here a year ago. Others confidently stated it would launch early this year. Now, it is April 2026. We are still looking at a device that was released 4 whole years ago. In the world of technology, 4 years is an absolute eternity. Most gadgets feel completely outdated after just 2 years. After 4 years, they usually feel like ancient relics. But the Apple TV 4K is still sitting proudly on store shelves. It is still the current model you buy today. This makes people wonder if Apple has simply forgotten about it. It makes people think that maybe Apple is finally giving up on the living room entirely. But that is not the truth at all. The actual truth is much more frustrating. The hardware is completely finished. This is not just a wild guess. Top insiders like Mark Gurman have confirmed this fact. The new Apple TV is completely ready to go. Millions of these boxes could be shipped to stores tomorrow. They're likely sitting in dark warehouses right now, gathering dust. All the parts are fully assembled. The plastic is perfectly molded. The advanced chips are securely inside. So, why can't you buy it today? Why is Apple keeping this finished product a massive secret? The brain transplant delay. The answer is surprisingly simple. It all comes down to one single word. That word is Siri. Apple is waiting for Siri to get a massive brain transplant. They call this highly anticipated upgrade Apple Intelligence. This is the next giant step for the entire company. They want Siri to finally be a real, useful assistant. They want it to actually understand you when you speak. They want it to flawlessly control your whole house without making silly mistakes. Apple has a very specific and grand plan for this launch. They do not want to just sell you a slightly faster black box. They want to sell you a completely new experience. Apple wants the main headline to be all about AI. They want to proudly show how Siri can instantly find your favorite shows using natural language. They want to demonstrate how Siri can manage your entire smart home effortlessly. But there's a massive problem right now. The software is just not ready. Making real AI work perfectly is incredibly hard. It requires a massive amount of testing. It requires a huge amount of server power. Apple truly thought they would have it ready by now. They originally planned to release it with a massive update called iOS 26.4. That was supposed to happen this spring, but things went terribly wrong behind the scenes. The software had way too many bugs. It was simply not reliable enough for the public. If Apple released it right now, it would be a complete disaster. People would be furious. Siri would make constant mistakes. So, Apple made a very hard and painful choice. They pushed the entire software launch back. This single delay changed absolutely everything for their product roadmap. Now, we might not see the new, smarter Siri until September 2026. That major update would come with iOS 27. Since the new Apple TV is so deeply tied to this new Siri, the hardware is stuck. It is in a frustrating state of limbo. It is exactly like a brand new sports car that is completely finished, but the company lost the only key. You can look at it through the window, but you absolutely cannot drive it. The smart home ecosystem gamble. This situation is very strange for a company like Apple. Usually, they release new hardware even if the software is a little bit late. They did exactly this with the iPhone 16. They did it again with the iPhone 17. Those incredibly popular phones came out before the newest version of Siri was totally ready. Apple just told people the software update was coming soon, and people bought them anyway. But for some distinct reason, they're not doing that with the new Apple TV. They strongly feel that this device needs Siri to be absolutely perfect on day one. Maybe they feel the current 4-year-old Apple TV is still good enough for most people. It still plays 4K video perfectly. It still has a very fast and clean interface. Apple might just think there is no major rush. But for the loyal fans, this long wait is painful. And it is not just the Apple TV that is being delayed right now. There are several other exciting products stuck in the exact same boat. There's a brand new HomePod coming. LYC more clear evidence. We will see if the massive software bugs are finally fixed. We will see if those locked warehouses slowly start to move their inventory. Until then, the aging 4-year-old Apple TV stubbornly remains the undisputed king of the living room. It is a powerful king that is patiently waiting for its rightful successor. And that powerful successor is patiently waiting for its new, highly intelligent voice. In my honest opinion, this upcoming Apple TV is going to be an absolute monster of a device, completely redefining what a streaming box can actually do. While the 4-year wait has been incredibly frustrating for all of us, packing in a 17 Pro chip and local, privacy-focused AI into a living room device is a genius move. If Apple can truly deliver console-quality gaming and a smart home assistant that actually understands context without lagging, this device will easily justify its price tag and dominate the market for another half-decade. The hardware is undeniably future-proofed. It all just hinges on whether Apple Intelligence lives up to the massive hype. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, share the video with your friends, and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop more tech deep dives, just like this one. Let me know in the comments below. What is your best opinion about this upcoming product? Are you going to buy it on day one, or are you sticking with your old model?